Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Fern. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So for today's video, I'm very excited, but I'm also kind of sad. As you can tell by the title, it is another BOUX Avenue monthly unboxing haul. As I always say in every video, I have been a BOUX Avenue student ambassador for the past like 6-7 months or something like that, and it's been absolutely crazy. It's been a pleasure to have the opportunity to work with BOUX Avenue, and I just want to say thank you to you guys, like my friends, family and my online audience, who have obviously helped me and supported me through this scheme. I don't think I've moved from the top 3 on the leaderboard since the scheme started, which is literally thanks to anyone that uses my code. It's been amazing, and if I do win this scheme, I think I get £5,000 towards my university like student loans to pay off, which is such a big help. And there are some like runner-up prizes, but I'm pretty sure the last time that I was sent a leaderboard I was second. So if you do want to use my code at all, it's fern.roberts, and it's going to give you 20% off High Summer, which is a lot of like beachwear summer bikini items, and Lingerie Solutions, which is a lot of like shapewear, sucky in pants, like nipple covers, loads of those things. So I'm going to show you what my last boxes are from BOUX. It's kind of sad, but it's a really good box, and I'm just going to get straight in and show you what I've got. So if you do want to see, please keep watching, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's go. So I first received a little box this month, and this is for Lingerie Solutions. So I'm pretty sure they've got a section on the website that's to do with this, but it's all about like shapewear, and like enhancing your curves and your figure, sucking you in under your clothes. So in this box I have received some nipple stickers. These are like the petals from BOUX. Which are great obviously if you wear something without a bra. Basically provides discreet coverage for breast nipples showing through close fitting or sheer garment. You get 5 pairs in a pack, so I received these, which are really handy. Then I received this top, which is a nude bandeau bra. These look really small, but they are like super stretchy. But obviously this is to go under something maybe like a bodycon dress that's like pretty tight, and you just kind of want to suck in all the right places. This has got a little bit of padding in it as well, so it's great. You don't need to wear like a bra and this. You can use this as a bra, and it's going to help you, I don't know, just look more... I don't really know what the word is, but I obviously got it in a nude colour. I think they do like other styles and colours in a lot of these. I got this in an 8, so I'm hoping this is going to fit, but they are really stretchy. Usually I'd get a 10 in a lot of things just in case, but I think an 8 will be fine in this for me because I've got small boobs. So yeah, that's the second item. And then I also received a pair of, what are these called? The nude seam-free high-waist brief. So obviously these are great if you've got a really tight dress and maybe you're going to be like eating, so like at a wedding or something, and you don't want a food baby showing through your dress, because I do worry about that. These do look kind of small, but again they are like super stretchy, so I'm hoping I can get into them. Again, these are in a size, oh, these are in a 10 actually, so these should be fine. Got these in a 10, the top's in an 8, but they're basically like a high-waisted brief. They're really soft, really stretchy, but it's this material here that's gonna like be around your belly button that's definitely gonna suck you in, and make your figure look even better. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they do like shorts versions of these as well, even higher ones. There's loads of different things, so if you are looking for something to go under that special dress for like an occasion, definitely check it out. I will link these items in the description below. So yeah, those are the items that I got as part of the Lingerie Solution. So if you want to get 20% off anything like that, you can use my code fernrbu20 at checkout. Then very exciting, but obviously I received my usual big BOUX box for the month, and this is a heavy one because we've kindly been gifted a few more items from some other brands for our last month, and this is so exciting and I'm so grateful. Sorry, there's like fluff everywhere. I think it's from my cardigan that I've been wearing. But yeah, this box I have had a little look through and tried some things on. on my Instagram story. So if you do follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me try some of these bikinis on over there. But yeah, this is my last box. Kind of sad, but very exciting at the same time. So I'm going to go through all the little goodies first. So really exciting. I've got a tanning mitt from Velvotan. These are a really popular brand. I've been seeing Velvotan everywhere at the moment. So I'm pretty sure this is like a really good quality mitt. I'll be using this very soon to put some more tan on. So if you do want to hear my thoughts about this, definitely go and follow me on Instagram because I'll probably talk about it over there. Then I received a Rimmel London Scandalise Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner. I used this today. I can vouch that this is very, very creamy. Although I don't really know how you sharpen these kind of eyeliners. But yeah, like Rimmel London is obviously a really, really amazing brand. And I'm very excited to try and use this to like maybe smudge it out on like my top lash line. But for like the waterline, this is brilliant. Something super random. And I'm not really sure if this brand has like a social media presence because I tried searching them on Instagram and nothing really comes up like recent. So I don't know, but this is from the brand I'm Magic, but it's spelled really weirdly. This says it's the world's first instant eyeshadow. You get 5 applicators and it's literally like a strip of kind of eyeshadows that you press on, wipe on. That is what the packaging looks like, kind of just like instant eyeshadow. So if you're not someone who's into makeup and you don't think you're very good at the moment, maybe you could try this out. I'm gonna probably try it soon and see if it's any good. There was a lid on it, but this is actually from Bumble and Bumble, which is a really popular hair care brand. I don't know whether they do any like body stuff, but so much hair stuff. This is the Surf Spray, so basically a salt spray to create beachy windswept hairstyles. It looks like this. Really, really cute packaging. I've heard a lot of good things about Bumble and Bumble. I'm not a massive fan of salt sprays just because I like to run my fingers through my hair and it to be like really soft and silky. But maybe if I was on holiday and I already had like wet, beachy hair, this would make it look really cool. Then something really, really exciting is actually from Benefit Cosmetics. I got the Hoola Light Bronzer. It's a little bit light for me, just because I'm not that pale. I'm like kind of tanned. So this is the Hoola Light. I've had the normal Hoola for years and I absolutely love it. And I do want to pick up the Benefit Hoola Caramel shade. So this light is a bit too light for me. But it's really, really amazing that they've popped this in the box anyway. So I might see if there's anyone who's paler than me that would use this more than I would. Then this looks absolutely insane. But this is from Sienna X Professional. I've heard of these on Instagram and I've definitely seen some people using their products, but this is the Skin Finish Illuminating Mist, fragrance free for face and body, and it's hydrating as well. It's basically like a shimmery, glowy spray that you put on your face, on like your arms, your legs. This on your legs would be amazing on holiday if you've got a bit of a tan. This would just make you shine. And then I think the last little goodie is from Collab, which is a dry shampoo in the Paradise fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue, which is great because some dry shampoos can leave a lot of like white in your hair and it's kind of hard to like brush out. I don't think I've ever tried Collab before. I've seen them all over Instagram and I'm very excited to try this because I'm pretty sure I've nearly run out of my other dry shampoo. So yeah, nearly knocked myself out. Thank you so much to all of the brands that obviously did pop some products in this box. I don't know whether you'll be watching anything. I will link all of that I can in the description below as well. But now on to some bikinis. This first one, I already have this style in a snake print that you would have seen in a previous BOUX haul. If you haven't watched any of my previous BOUX ones, I'm going to create a playlist, so I will link that down below, but they're all on my channel. I pretty much have done them monthly since last September maybe, which is crazy. So I picked up, wow, right, let me turn the brightness down so you can kind of see how like neon this is. So this is like a really bright neon yellow, slight like lime green kind of colour, Yeah, I got this bikini style in a snake print and I absolutely love it. I think it's a really great bikini for people who have small or big boobs, because some of the other ambassadors are definitely quite a few cups bigger than me, and this bikini looks insane on them. But even for someone like me who's like a B to C cup, it still looks really, really nice. I think I got this in a size too big. I'm pretty sure my other one was a 32B. This is a 32C, but it still fits fine. But this is just called the Neon Yellow Ibiza Monowire Bikini Top in obviously the yellow colour. And then I got the bottoms in a thong, which is quite risky, a bit sexy, but I think on holiday with the girls, or if I just go away with Jack to somewhere, like especially if you are going to Ibiza or Marbella or somewhere like that, these are obviously like really sexy bikinis. So yeah, just the little thong bottoms, and obviously it is an actual thong at the back, but this is great for tanning if you don't want to get like big bikini bottom tan lines. I got these bottoms in a size 10 and it's just the neon yellow Ibiza thong. But yeah, I really, really like this bikini, and just a shame that I'm not going on holiday anytime soon. And then, like I said, I had that bikini style but in a snake print. I got the same snake print pattern, just in a different style bikini. So starting off with the bottoms, it's exactly the same as the other ones in a thong. So I'm pretty sure this will go with the other bikini. So I've got like a mix and match kind of thing. The other ones are like a Brazilian brief. But yeah, I've got these in a thong. Oh, let me turn the brightness up again. And then the top I'm obsessed with. The bottoms I got in a 10 as well. I'm pretty sure I got this top in a 10. But it's like a really small crop top with two little black ring details. Obviously it's got adjustable straps on this one, but it's just so flattering with the thongs. It's like just the right kind of cut, and then it's got your clasp at the back there. This is just amazing. Again, I love the snake print. I don't think it's gonna go off trend anytime soon. But yeah, this print is amazing. This set in a 10, it's just, this set is everything. I'm very excited. But this again is just another Ibiza set, I think is what it's called. Then the last bikini that I chose, I'm not as obsessed with this one as the other two, just because I don't think it's the kind of style I would wear, but I wanted to try it out anyway because it's something different, and obviously it just shows you guys what kind of variety of bikinis that they've got, because not all of you are gonna like my style and what I'd rather wear. So this is the top of the last bikini. It's got a gorgeous gold ring detail there, one shoulder, kind of little crop top. So this is perfect if, sorry, I've got fluff like everywhere. This is perfect if you want to cover up a little bit more, but you don't want to wear a full swimsuit. You still want to wear a bikini, but you want to be a little bit more reserved. I think the colour, the sheeny kind of mauvey purple, is absolutely gorgeous. So this top is in a 10 as well. This is just a Java one shoulder bikini top. So that is what the top looks like. And then the bottoms are like high-waisted. So the bottoms are called the Java high waist brief, and this is what they look like. So this really isn't my kind of style. If these were like a Brazilian brief or a thong, I would definitely wear it with the top, but for my liking, I like to tan a lot and I'd rather wear a smaller bikini. But if you want to cover up your belly a little bit more or something, this comes just about to your belly button, and it's got a gorgeous little tie detail there, which I think is really, really flattering. This is easy to pull up higher, but I don't really like something that covers your bum so much. I don't think it's flattering on me and my figure. I'd feel more confident in something else. But again, I got these in a 10. Probably could have got an 8 in these because they seem a little bit big. They are obviously very stretchy. But yeah, I love the style, and I think on the right person, especially if you maybe want to cover up a little bit more, like I said, these would be perfect. The quality of everything is insane as per usual. I can't fault the quality of BOUX stuff, but the style for me isn't quite there, so definitely check it out if you think this is more your vibe. Then I picked up a, what is this called? A black tie front beach top. So I thought this would be amazing if you're on holiday and you're wearing like maybe a really small black bikini, so like a black strappy triangle bikini or something. You can pop this sheer like little black cropped tie thing over the top. Obviously you can still see a bikini under it and wear it with some bikini bottoms. I think it would be really, really cool. And I don't know, just cover up a little bit more. Maybe if your shoulders are like getting a bit hot and you don't want to burn so much, It's just something a little bit different to pop on the top, which I really like. I got this top in a size small, so yeah, really like this. I just think with a black bikini, or even with something neon, like you could probably pair this with anything. I'm just thinking all black would be very sexy. And then the last item, which I couldn't really resist because I had a few different options, and I thought I would pick this up mainly for memories, I guess. Obviously I've got so much underwear and bikini stuff from BOUX, which I'm so thankful for. But I wanted to pick up this BOUX Avenue beach towel because, one, obviously it's really pretty, and when you're going on holiday or to the beach, I just think it's something really nice. But I don't know, it's kind of like, you know, when you go on holiday, say if you go to Cyprus, you might buy a beach towel that says Cyprus on it. I thought this was really cute because it says BOUX on it, and this is something that I'm definitely going to keep for years and remember that I had this opportunity to be an ambassador and work with such an amazing brand. So that is the last item that I picked up, which is just called a pink mix BOUX festival towel. That is pretty much the end of my BOUX hauls, as far as I know. The scheme comes to an end this month, so I'm going to get this video up this weekend. So if you do want to pick anything up that I've shown you, or maybe you like the style of something but want to see if they've got different colours, I'm going to put the link to the BOUX Avenue website, but it's going to be a small one. Really helps me out when you shop through that link. So click that link, it'll go to the website, and when you buy something from that link, it also helps me out. So even if you can't use my code on something, still shop through the link that I'll put in the description. It would mean the world to me. But yeah, obviously, like I say, my code fern.roberts, always in the description, that will give you 20% off High Summer, which kind of includes all of those bikinis and quite a bit more, and Lingerie Solutions. So if you're looking for any shapewear kind of stuff, you get 20% off and you can help your girl out. I mean, I'm hoping that I place in the top 3. That would be amazing, and it's all thanks to you guys for buying things through my code and supporting me. So thank you so much if you have used it. If you have, or if you plan on picking anything up by the end of this month, leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat and know what you want to get or what you've already got. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Turn the notifications on as well if you want to be notified whenever I upload, because I'm on a roll with these weekly uploads at the moment. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It does help me out and it means the world to me. I will see you very soon in another video. Bye guys!